Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour and release 100,000 germs into the air? This quick expulsion is your body's defense mechanism to clear irritants from your nasal cavity. When you sneeze, your diaphragm contracts, forcing air out through your nose and mouth at high speed, propelling droplets filled with mucus and saliva. These droplets can carry infectious agents such as viruses and bacteria, making sneezing a significant factor in the transmission of diseases. For example, the flu virus and the common cold can spread through these airborne droplets, which can linger in the air and on surfaces for extended periods. This highlights the importance of covering your nose and mouth with a tissue or your elbow when sneezing to reduce the spread of germs and protect public health.